Ever turned on your laptop, heard it power up, but stared at a completely black screen? Frustrating, right? Don't worry. You're not alone, and I've got the solutions you need. Hi everyone, welcome back to Shop Smart Link, your go-to channel for tech tips, solutions, and smart buying advice. If your laptop powers on but the screen stays black, this video will walk you through why it happens, how to fix it, and ways to prevent it in the future. Let's dive in. Reasons first, let's understand why this might happen. Here are some common culprits. Hardware issues. A loose or faulty connection between your screen and motherboard. Display problems. Your screen might be physically damaged or have a failed backlight. Graphics driver errors. Corrupted or outdated drivers can mess up your display. Software glitches. A recent system update or software bug could be the culprit. Power problems. Your laptop might not be delivering the correct power to the display. Does any of that sound like your situation? Let's move on to the fixes. Solutions. Here are some step-by-step fixes you can try. Hard reset. Turn off your laptop completely. Disconnect the charger and remove the battery, if removable. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. Reconnect the power and try turning it on again. Check the display connection if you're comfortable. Open the laptop casing to ensure the screen cable is securely attached. For some models, you might see a flicker if the connection is loose. External monitor test. Connect your laptop to an external monitor using an HDMI or VGA cable. If the external display works, the issue is likely with your laptop screen. Update or reinstall graphics drivers. Boot your laptop into safe mode. Press F8 or Shift plus F8 during startup. Navigate to Device Manager, find your graphics adapter, and update or reinstall the driver. Check for overheating. Overheating can cause your laptop to protect itself by shutting off the screen. Clean out dust from vents and ensure proper airflow. Perform a BIOS reset. Boot into BIOS. Press ESC, F2, or Del at startup, depending on your model. Reset to default settings and restart. Professional help. If none of the above works, it's time to consult a professional. Screen or motherboard repairs may be necessary. How to avoid this issue? Now, prevention is better than cure. Here's how to keep this problem from happening again. Handle with care. Avoid dropping or applying pressure to your laptop. Regular maintenance. Clean out dust and ensure your laptop stays cool. Update drivers. Keep your operating system and drivers up to date. Power protection. Use a surge protector to prevent power-related damage. Proactive care goes a long way in maintaining your laptop's health. Final thoughts. Laptop screens going black can be a real hassle, but with the right steps, it's often fixable without a trip to the repair shop. And by following the prevention tips, you can save yourself time, money, and headaches. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Shop Smart Link for more tech tips and solutions. Got a specific tech problem? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to help. Until next time, stay tech savvy.